What's up, everybody? As you can see, I'm back in the classroom here. If you didn't know, every Thursday I bring a snake to the classroom and share it with my students. I talk about the genetics and my plans for it. And today I brought in one of the males that will be a star of this video this week, which is part 2 of my 21-22 breeding season. Let's take a look at some of the highlights. Class, this is our snake of the week. It is a pinstripe desert ghost, 66% chance at having the clown gene. Wow. That's meaning that it's heterozygous. Does anybody know the meaning of heterozygous? Yeah, Jose.
I think it means to carry the gene.
Excellent. It means
Hey, Mr. Jensen.
What's up?
Cornelius is thirsty.
Oh man, high school life. So we'll take a look at Cornelius, who I brought to class today, and the rest will be at home. So stick around and check out my video on part 2 of my 21-22 breeding season. So this right here is Cornelius. He is a pinstripe desert ghost, 66% possible het clown, which is the really exciting part of him. I will be breeding him the Patience, my Enchi clown, to hopefully prove out that het clown. And if it proves out het clown, man, you will see a Billy dance out of me that will put everything to shame. So he's really cool. I'm excited about this guy. He has started eating frozen thawed rats, and that has just increased his size the past couple of months. And I think he will be ready to go at any time. In fact, when I get home today, I'm gonna throw him in with Patience and see if anything happens. So, pinstripe desert ghost, 66% possible het clown. His name is Cornelius, and he came from Fireball Reptiles. This week's Morph Market pick of the week is a Super Enchi Ivory 100% het pied from Ball Python Shed. Breed it to a pied female, and half of them will come out being Enchi yellow belly pieds. A great deal at only $900. Grab it and go. So I'm back at home, and here I have Tony, and Tony is a leopard het VPI axanthic het puzzle. So he's a double het, and he is going to Tigra. They've been breeding all summer long, and they're continuing it, and I'm hoping for a clutch from them very soon. He's a stud. He's the biggest male in my collection, and he's just been going to work, and probably won't be the last female he meets in Tigra. I really want those puzzle hets. I want to stack those puzzle hets and just collect them. And leopard is my favorite Kodam gene, and he is a stunner. He came from JK's VPI axanthics. So Tony, the leopard, 100% double het VPI axanthic puzzle. So this week's fresh shed of the week will also be a breeder for me this season. His name is Genesis. He is an Enchi pinstripe piebald 100% het hypo. He will be going to Bunny, the Super Ember 100% het hypo, and they're gonna produce some Ember Enchi pinstripe hypos that are 100% het piebald. Whew, that's a mouthful. And he is going to be the cornerstone of my hypopied project. So I'm looking to add some Ember genes into that mix. And he is 100% certified fresh shed. Our last stud I'll be sharing with you this week is a Mojave Krypton 100% het ultramel from Dreamweaver Reptiles. He'll be going to Junebug, the pastel double het ultra glow. So I'm hoping to produce some pastel Mojave ultramels that will be 100% for either cryptic or clown. So really exciting project. If you watched a previous video, this guy was featured previously. You can see how much he's grown, and he'll definitely be ready for the season. And he looks like he wants to eat me, so that there right here, Mojave Krypton 100% het ultramel from Dreamweaver Reptiles. His name is Jor-El. Thank you again for watching this week's video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And since it's the Halloween weekend, enjoy, be safe, and remember, if you got some teenagers coming to your house, they're still kids. Give them some candy. It's been a rough year. All right, guys, have a great week. Take care. See you guys next time.